Now we're going to do a comparative analysis of the verb give. In ASL, we call this a directional verb because I can give to someone else, that someone else can give to me, two other people can give something to each other, that doesn't include me. The standard structure in ASL is to start with the object first. A book, a piece of paper. So you identify the object and then you identify the verb give to which person. So I'm giving it to a third person, I give like that. Book, me, give, sister. Message, Jeff, give, Anna. There's some pretty standard common collocations in English, phrases that are difficult to analyze and are often just memorized. For example, give me a call. What does that really mean? In ASL, we just say, call me. So another directional sign, call me. We don't say telephone or phone because we don't use the phone that way. We don't put it up to our ear to make a call. This is the sign for call, meaning a phone call or getting a hold of me. Some sentences in ASL do borrow from English. You'll see lots of deaf people sign the word did, D-I-D, and then sign the rest of the sentence. Some do not. It really depends on the individual. Some people like the idea of using it, incorporating that bit of English, others do not. So in ASL, I'll sign this sentence that without the word did. My number, you give Mustafa. And see my eyebrows are up. It's a yes/no question. And so you are that third person and then to Mustafa in a different place in space. So it doesn't involve me. It's not directional that involves me. It's you to Mustafa. So the English sentence here, inform Michelle, please. So inform coming from the head, from the brain. This English sentence, and don't forget the object first. Money, me, give, Anna, why? Movies. In the ASL translation, you'll notice the verb give is often not there. Here's another example. You finish, approve, James, go, dance. Again, another sentence that doesn't use the English word give in the ASL translation. They explain why late? The ASL translation for this English phrase, I give equal exchange. There's sort of two intentions behind this English phrase. One meaning is sort of about giving up my money, my time, so much of my energy, my life. So it's this sign, sacrifice. I did sacrifice. Another meaning is to give up, meaning I've had enough. This is it. I'm done. I give up. Give up. Enough. You can see the face. I don't want to have anything more to do with it. In this case, I'm affirming, yes, I did all those things. I gave up. I sacrificed. But in the other intention, you can see the difference in the facial expression. Now, there's two ways to sign this English phrase, give me a break. So I'm taking a break, like a physical break, coffee break. I'm taking a break. But the other way is when you're telling someone, give me a break. I don't believe you, or I don't believe that. Another way is to sign the sign finish. So whatever they're saying, I'm just, okay, give it up. Give me a break. That's enough. I did that with my students in the past when I knew they were trying to con me. I just said, nope, finish. You'll find often in English there's way more verbiage than what we would use in ASL to say the same thing. In this sentence, it's just help me. Thank you.